Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Please excuse the kids screaming in the background. I'm at a little trail system that I actually shot my One Tiger Stove video, both of them actually, when I cooked the steak. I just did it right behind the camera here. There's a school here and it's lunchtime right now, so they're being noisy because, you know, they're kids. I'm hoping it won't come across on camera too much. So what I wanted to do is, with hat in hand, I wanted to apologize to everybody, all my viewers and subscribers. And the reason I'm sorry is because I haven't been, the last like almost 3 weeks, I really haven't been very motivated to do any videos. And if you're doing the math, you're thinking, well, wait a minute, you've been uploading pretty consistently the last couple of weeks. Well, that's because I have all those videos shot in advance. I mean, the FRH video I actually shot in December. Because if you notice, I was wearing that blue flannel. I shot my Christmas video then, that video then, something else I cooked there too, or I did there. I shot another video. I think I shot like 4 videos that day. I'd have to go back and look. Shot all those way in advance. The steak video was like, I shot it in February. It's March 11th right now. I shot that sometime, I think early February, because it was just happened to be a nice day. Came out, made fire, did my thing. Came out great. Yeah, and kind of the reason I do that is because of times like this when I don't know why I'm not making videos or motivated. It could just be a little bit of burnout. It could just be, I don't know. Maybe it just, woodpecker. Fly close, let me get a picture. So who knows? I mean, it just could be, I mean, maybe I'm just, you know, mindset is just not there, hasn't been there. I still have more videos to do. I got a trail cam video, another trail cam video. I actually have a video coming where I came here and set the camera over there, and then I came back and got it like a week later. And you know, usually on my outings I shoot like 4 vids, sometimes 5, depending on what's going on or what I'm doing. And I think I only shot 1. I basically came out, set it, made some mocha, drank it, left, and then that was it for the whole week. And then I didn't edit for like 2 weeks. I just really haven't been getting into it like I should have been. So I don't know why. I just, you know, it is what it is. So thankfully I had that surplus of videos ready, and I didn't have to miss any uploads for you guys who like to watch the videos, which I do very much appreciate. You know, I'm always very appreciative when you guys watch and comment. You know, it just gets you right here, man. It's like, oh, I love it when you guys, you know, comment. So I got a lot of projects still pending. I got the lean-to rebuild I got to do, or remodel, whatever. In fact, I actually have a video of some plans for the area that I was in. You know, I found a new camp, which was, you know, that video's not uploaded. I'm gonna upload this quicker. I got that. I got the, I want to build my own shelter. I got the pup tent. I got the budget playlist I'm working on. I've got the all my gear playlist. I haven't even shot anything. I shot one video, the intro video for that, and then I shot the tarp video, and I haven't even done anything with it. And I was going to shoot something at home, and I just wasn't, you know, mentally I wasn't there. So I don't know why. It is what it is. So I just wanted to let everyone know that I was sorry for the delay in videos, but I mean, once I get back into this full swing of doing it, I got a lot of content on the way. So, and we're actually getting some nice weather here, and it's supposed to be, last 3 days it's been really nice. And I actually drove out to the National Forest today, which is where I was going to be doing this video, but there was still a lot of snow on the ground, which wasn't a big deal and wasn't a deal breaker, but I didn't bring an outer layer, and I was cold. I mean, I was chilled to the bone. My hands were getting really cold, and I hadn't even cut into the woods yet. So I was like, I walked about halfway from the truck to about where I would cut in, and I just said, you know, forget it. I'll go to the park instead. So I actually just did a video. Someone asked about fire making, and so I did a video, but I didn't light it just because I'm paranoid about getting caught and, you know, getting my ass handed to me by the law. I haven't looked up the laws yet. I need to do that. Maybe when I get home, I'll Google it. Say, what's the penalty for lighting fire in the woods? So I'm gonna hang my trail cam here before I go, though. So that's gonna be something. And then yeah. So anyway, I think I've rambled enough. I just wanted to jump on and say I'm sorry. And once I get back into the full swing, you know, we'll be forging forward. I think last year, though, I think I took a break for like 2 months. And I didn't do that this year. I just forged on forward. So, I don't know, maybe it's a little bit of burnout. Could be. Hopefully it'll be temporary. I still have some videos coming up, so I did like only 2 today. So, alright. Well, as always, I appreciate you watching. Stay tuned to the channel for more stuff. It is coming. It's just sometimes it just takes me a while, but I got videos coming, a lot of content on the way, some trail cam footage coming, so stay tuned for that. Hopefully the funk will be lifted soon. Maybe I need a vacation. That'd be nice, actually. I was actually going to make a road trip today up north, like I talked about in a community tab weeks ago, but I'm not going to do that until I'm going to go up there, but I'm going to go up there and then overnight, because it's a 3-hour drive to get there. And I was like, well, if it's a 3-hour drive, if that's 6 hours on the road, it's like, that's a long time to be in the car. So if I'm going to drive 3 hours, I'm going to at least bring my hammock with me and overnight, and hopefully get my fishing license and get some rainbows, because the channel I watch, and I wrote it down, it's PNW full stop, Pacific Northwest full stop. He's a local. He's up north. In fact, the area he was in, I was going to go to, and I actually emailed him. I said, hey, I'm going to be in your area. And he said, well, I'm going to be out of town for a week. So I was like, oh, okay, no problem. But, you know, it was a weekday anyway, but I was just kind of letting him know I was going to go to his stomping grounds. Just kind of check it out. But I'm going to go up there with my hammock, though. A long drive, it requires an overnighter. Okay, 8 minutes. I'm going to stop rambling.